Hello guys, welcome back to my vid. Today we are trying this animal hospital script. It works on Delta but I don't know if it works on ARCEUS or any other executors. This script can do many things,
including auto farm, auto patience it is up to.
Please consider subscribing and like this video. This script took a long time to make. It also has this orange box around them. If it's orange, then they're normal. If it's red, well, it's an entity. Well, now I didn't realize it was already doing that patient for me. THATS how quick it is. Twin. But it only bugs if you have bad Wi-Fi. That's it for today's video. Script is in description or comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.